Hey you guys, welcome to another Google Sheets tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to use a script to duplicate your tabs in bulk. So like for example, when you're creating a calendar in Google Sheets and you want to have one tab per month, right? Normally we would go here, so the tab, and then duplicate, and then it creates a new one. Now I have a faster way for you to do this. So you're going to use a script that we created. The script will be in the description. You can grab it. So just open it, Control A, Control C. You're going to copy the entire script. And then you're going to go to Extensions, App Scripts. And then you're going to select whatever is in here. And then you're going to delete it. And then Control V. So just copy the entire script in here and click Save. Now here, you're going to change sheet 1 to the sheet that you want to be copying. And so in this case, it's going to be January, right? Jan. So I'm just going to enter that here. And then here, it's the number of sheets that you want to create, number of tabs that you want to create. So right now, I want to create 12 months, so I already have January ready. So I'm gonna do 11, and then you're just gonna save this, and you're gonna run. Once you run, it's going to ask you permission to run the script. I already gave permission, so sorry, in this video it's not gonna be showing how to do that. But just click authorize and keep going until you allow Google Sheets to run that. And then you go back to your sheet. And then here on the bottom, you're going to see that it created 11 copies of the tab of January. Then all you gotta do here is just click February. And then in this case, because everything that I do is automated, I'm just gonna go over here, equal. And I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna click end of month. Oops, equal end of month, and then I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select 1 because that way I have February. There we go. And then just change it here, March, and then it's going to be the same thing. So actually I can just copy this, just paste it here, but instead of 1, it's going to be 2. Oops. It's going to be 3. It's going to be April. It's going to be 4. May, and so forth and so on. So now, and then because I have everything automated, oops, it wasn't supposed to be copying this. There we go. So now you have January, February, March, April, May, and this is a dynamic calendar. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to give you a tutorial on how to create a dynamic calendar. But today's video was just to show you how to use the script to create multiple tabs in bulk, just to automate your process. Let me know if you like this video, grab the script in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.